Verifying Venmo security is a crucial step in protecting your financial information and preventing unauthorized transactions. To start, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. From the Settings menu, select Security. This will take you to a page where you can view and adjust various security settings. The first step is to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. To enable two-factor authentication, select the option and follow the prompts to enter your phone number or email address. You will then receive a verification code. Enter this code to complete the setup process. Next, review your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. You can do this by navigating to the Transactions tab, where you can view a list of all recent transactions, including the date, amount, and recipient. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them to Venmo immediately. You can do this by contacting Venmo support through the app or by visiting their website. Additionally, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your Venmo account, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. It is also important to keep your device and operating system up to date, as this will ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Finally, be cautious when using Venmo to send or receive money from people you do not know, as this can increase the risk of scams or fraud. By following these steps and being mindful of your account activity, you can help to verify Venmo security and protect your financial information. It is also a good idea to monitor your credit report and bank statements regularly to detect any suspicious activity that may be related to your Venmo account. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the convenience of using Venmo while minimizing the risk of security breaches.